Hi everybody, I'm back and I'm excited to share with you the results that we have from our experiment that we started a few days ago. So I'm going to remind you what this experiment was about. So let's look back over here at this first poster. My question that I asked was, what surface in my house has the most bacteria? And I used the bacteria testing kits and I took samples from 5 different surfaces: a library book, my kitchen sink, my backpack, a doorknob in our house, and our car door handle. So my hypothesis was the library book will grow the most bacteria. And over the last 3 days, I've been collecting results and I'm going to share those with you today. So let's reveal my observations. All right. So I noticed that all of the dishes collected some condensation. And if we look at the samples that I have, I'll show you that there's water in the bottom of all of the containers. And I think that's because we had to store these in a warm space and that it collected some condensation inside all of the samples. So if you take a look at also what I have here, the bacteria grew at different rates in all of the trays. So I decided it was better to keep track of more information by color coding each day what grew on the trays. So day 1 is blue dots, day 2 are purple, and day 3 are green. So let's look over here and see what we found. The doorknob definitely collected a lot of bacteria. This is actually a lot of bacteria growth. This is the most one that we were able to get. The car door had some bacteria growth. It didn't grow anything until day 2 and day 3. The sink didn't have as much bacteria as I thought that it would collect, and it didn't actually grow anything really until the 3rd day. When we look at my backpack sample, there was a little bit of growth on day 1. Most of the growth was on day 2 and a little bit of growth on day 3. And the library book, this is the one that I thought would grow the most bacteria, and it actually did not. As you can see, there was a little bit of growth on the 1st day and 2nd day, and there's been more growth today on day 3. So let's look and see what I have as my conclusions for this science experiment. All right, so the kitchen sink was much cleaner than I expected. The library book did not grow as much bacteria as I thought. In fact, it grew way less than I expected. And the doorknob was by far the dirtiest surface. Let's take a look again at the doorknob sample. This one had a lot of bacteria growth, and clearly I need to clean my doorknobs better. So let's take a look. Was my hypothesis correct? I am going to circle that it was not correct, but that's okay. I still learned something from this experiment. I learned that I need to take my bleach water solution that I made and go clean all of my doorknobs. Until next time, we'll see you later. Thank you.